Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a little bit of surgery on my Large Wristlet 25. If you've seen my other video on this Coach chain strap, you know that I intend to wear my Large Wristlet 25 with this chain strap. But the problem is that the Large Wristlet 25 has this wrist strap that's not removable. So it's only removable on this side of the bag, and so you can hang it like that, but I could try to like tuck that into the bag. I'll show you here. But it doesn't look great, and it doesn't look very streamlined, and so I want to just remove that strap. But I want to do it without cutting it. So what I'm going to do today, just move the chain strap out of the way, is I'm going to take a pair of just kind of normal pliers, and I'm going to try to work this I don't know, connector thing open to be able to slip the strap off. So let's see if I just work that in there and pull the needle nose pliers apart. See, I'm just pulling it apart. Okay, it doesn't seem like it did anything. Let's try again. Oh, okay, that moved a lot. So let's see, can I find a opening? It's hard to see whether the oh, there you go. So you see that it's starting to open. I'm just going to open it a little bit more. Let's see if I can get that open just a slightly bit more. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to try to slip this off without damaging anything. See if I can give myself a little bit more clearance. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot more open, I think. So I should be able to just... There, it's coming. Perfect. So you can see my wrist strap is still intact, but now I will have a nice clean look on the bag. So I'm just going to close this, and so one thing I want to be careful of when I close this, my pliers have a bit of texture right here, and I doubt this metal is anything too high quality, so I just want to make sure that I don't make a ton of scratches on the metal. And what I really mean is I don't want my pliers to slip while I'm doing this, so I'm going to try to go very slowly and make sure I'm not making any indents. Yeah, and you can see there's no indents there, which is good. I'm going to try to close it just a little bit more. Okay, I think that's as good as it's going to get, and that's fine because all I need is for it to hold on this little strap, so I'm just going to twist that back. Perfect. So now I have a completely naked Coach Wristlet 25 with empty grommets on the side and no wrist strap. And so what I plan to do with this wrist strap is I'm actually going to buy a keychain from Coach that has this kind of clasp on it, and I'm just going to put this type of clasp on this end of the wristlet so that I can still use this bag as a wristlet, because I do sometimes, so that it has both options, basically being a wristlet and also being a beautiful chain strap little formal bag. So yeah, that was my quick and dirty little tutorial of how to transform this Large Wristlet 25 into a beautiful chain strap bag. Let me just put it all together so you can see what it will look like in the end. Wonderful. We have our little chain strap bag. Looks a lot like the Gucci Marmont chain strap bags, at least in terms of shape and size. Obviously not in terms of the quilting or anything like that. But yeah, so thanks guys for watching.